Assalamu alaikum class. My name is Hamza Amir Khan. I am the student of NCBA and E. Today I am going to tell you about for my presentation that I will present it you in Nike manufacturing process. First of all, I will tell you its executive summary. Nike is an American multinational corporation that is engaged in the design, development, manufacturing, and worldwide marketing and sales of footwear, apparel, equipment, accessories, and services. It's Nike headquartered near Beaverton, Oregon, in the Portland metropolitan area. It is the world's largest supplier of athletic shoes and apparel and a major manufacturer of sports equipment. It employed more than 44,000 people worldwide. The company was founded on January 24, 1964 as Blue Ribbon Sports by Bill Bowerman and Phil Knight. Bill Bowerman and Phil Knight is the CEO of the company and published the name Nike. And the Bill Bowerman's and the most famous statement of Bill Bowerman has been published: if you have a body, you are an athlete. Nike markets deals with the different products or its own brand such as Nike Pro, Nike Plus, Air Jordan, Nike Blazers, Air Force One, Nike Dunk, Air Max and or its own brand name such as Nike operates many retail stores and sponsor high profile athletes and sportsmen in world. And the other one is mission and vision statement. Mission statement is to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world. The word inspiration means as a leading manufacturer of sports shoes, apparel, and equipment, Nike inspires people to adopt a winner mindset, which is covered in the inspiration component of the mission statement. The company's slogan, Just Do It, is the inspirational goal. And the next one is innovation. Nike's corporate mission statement emphasizes innovation. This component is applied through the company's strategy of continuous improvement of product through new technologies. And the third one is every athlete in the world. The every athlete in the world means company's mission to push the target every consumer in the world. And the next is vision statement. The vision statement of the company is to remain the most authentic, connected, and distinctive brand. The word authentic means Nike vision statement was the uses the word authentic component shows that the company aims to make its product deliver high performance to consumer. On the other hand, the other word is used is connected. Connected component is about ensuring consumers personal connection with the brand. And the last one is distinctive. The company also maintains distinctiveness by delivering the best possible products to the market. And the next is manufacturing process. Almost all Nike shoes are manufactured outside of the United States. The leading manufacturer of Nike shoes is China and Vietnam, accounting for 36% of the total manufactured worldwide. Indonesia 22%, Thailand 6% of the Nike shoes that are being produced worldwide. There are 785 contract factories with more than 1 million. Workers manufacture more than 5 lakh different products to make the shoes. The worker first cuts all the material in the shapes and forms they need to be in, then sew the pieces together on the upper section above the sole. The workers then prepare the sole, also called stock fitting, followed by preparing the attachment of upper to the sole, also known as lasting. Then the worker attaches and shapes the bottom heel to its final form. This process is called heeling. The finishing touches are made and any necessary accessories are then attached in the process called training. And the other is raw material process. Nike use different many material to use for to use to prepare for our products, but there are only six main materials that make up in the Nike RS under: polyester, rubber, EVA foam, cotton, synthetic leather. Polyester: 19% of polyester used in Nike brand is recycled. The World Cup jerseys Nikes were made in 2010 to use recycled polyester. China and India are the main polyester producers worldwide. Better options include recycled polyester. And the other one is rubber. The next main material Nike uses is rubber, and they have used more and more environmentally preferred rubber. Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia are the top producer of rubber around the world. And the other is EVA foam. EVA stands for ethylene vinyl acetate. EVA foam is used the best to increase the product comfort level. EVA already scores well is substantial sustainability criteria. The producer of EVA foam is only in China. The next is cotton. The next material Nike widely uses is cotton. Nike is proud to say that they are used more and more organic cotton every year. Organic cotton means that it is harvested without chemical pesticide and with no use of fertilizer. Nike gets most of its cotton from suppliers in China, India, Turkey, and USA. Synthetic leather. Synthetic leather is also used often in Nike products. Synthetic leather is a man-made that is made to look and feel like real leather but function better than real leather. The last one is leather. Nike also used real leather that is LWG certified. It is the institution that leather to give the leather certification. Nike is one of the world's largest user of white leather. Nike gets their leather from tanner and supplier in China and Vietnam. And the next one is delivery process. Each country or region of the world has its own Nike distribution center so that shipments can be sent out in reasonable time periods. In Europe, standard shipping from Nike is 5 euros and takes 3 to 4 days to arrive. Express shipping is 15 euros and take only 2 business days. There are also different times for remote location and special orders. In the United States is $8 for standard shipping and it can take 2 to 3 business days to arrive. You can also pay $15 for 2 to 3 days shipping or $25 for 1 2 day shipping. Each country has different shipping prices, regulation and standard, and delivery process is being to the transfer to the Memphis, Tennessee, where the big distribution center is located in Memphis, Tennessee. All the orders on the Nike website from the United States are filled and shipped from Memphis, Tennessee. Transportation process. The next is transportation process. Nike shoes are all made in 4 different countries: China, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand. After the manufacturing process is completed, the shoes are sent to distribution location in several different countries. In the United States, all shoes are sent to the Nike distribution center in Memphis, Tennessee. Once the shoes arrived in Memphis, then they are shipped then all other United States to fulfill orders that have been made by individual businesses and various like distributor. Nike has distribution center all over the world, including Africa, 8 countries in the Americas, including the United States, 13 Asian countries, 24 European countries, and the Middle State. And the last one is conclusion and recommendation. Recommendation from this study, we will recommend that Nike should have more comfortable and more concentrate on customer benefits. It can create a privilege for the member of bonding the relationship between the customer and the company, and also give the after sale services. It can also improve the customer services by conducting survey to improve the more understanding the customer needs. The last one is conclusion. Nike is a well-known successful company worldwide. Nike maintains a positive corporate culture within an innovative and profitable company. Nike is more profitable than its competition and dominates the global athletics and footwear in market. Furthermore, Nike has more followers on its social media than all its competition and is able to target specific audience through responsibility by increasing sustainable practices and additionally spreading innovation and physical activity. Thank you. If anyone have any question according to my presentation of Nike manufacturing process, so please tell me without any hesitation. Allah Hafiz.